The Adani Group will invest 30,000 crore rupees in Kerala over the next 5 years, said Karan Adani, the managing director of Adani Ports and SEZ Limited, at the Invest Kerala Global Summit in Kochi on Friday. The diversified group developing the Vizhinjam port and operating the airport at Thiruvananthapuram will set up a logistics and e-commerce hub as well as expand its cement manufacturing capacity in the southern state. He said Kerala is emerging as a model of development and progress, and we at Adani Group are honoured to be a part of this journey. The Adani Group has already invested 5,000 crore in Vizhinjam and is committing an additional investment of 20,000 crore rupees. Mr. Adani said this is not only India's first transshipment hub, but our vision is to make Vizhinjam the largest transshipment port in this part of the region.
Under Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Viksit Bharat, India is advancing towards unparalleled economic and infrastructural growth. A developed India requires strong regional economies, and Kerala is a prime example of how strategic investments can fuel progress. Our journey with Vizhinjam Port began in 2015 under the leadership of late Oman Chandiji, and today, under Shri Pinarayi Vijayanji's leadership, it is becoming a reality. Adani Group has already invested 5,000 crores in Vizhinjam Port, and we are committing an additional investment of 20,000 crores. This is not only India's first transshipment hub, but our vision is to make Vizhinjam the largest transshipment port in this part of the region. Further, we will be expanding the Trivandrum International Airport from 4.5 million to 12 million passengers with an investment of 5,500 crores. We will also be setting up a logistics and e-commerce hub in Cochin and also increase our cement capacity in Cochin. In total, the Adani Group is going to invest 30,000 crores in the next 5 years in the state of Kerala. In the words of our chairman, Sri Gautam Adani, the infrastructure sector is all about building assets for the nation and nation building. Kerala is emerging as a model of development and progress, and we at Adani Group are honoured to be part of this journey.